And welcome to this channel. So in this video I'll be showing you one of the best builds out there. Please, before we continue in this video, I will not be showing you the content of this build. This is because of the recent YouTube community guidelines. YouTube has been taking down my videos due to community guidelines. So but if you want to have this build on your device, check out the comment section. I'll be dropping the link on how to have this device, how to have this build on your device. So I will not post the details of this build. Check out the comment section. You will find the link that will take you to where you have this build on your device. So this is the build. This is the wizard. This is the wizard. And then in this wizard, you're gonna find this main build menu. Now this is the build number of main builds in this wizard. This is Doomsday Simple Wizard. These are the builds you will find here. These are the builds. These are the builds. Doomsday version. You see. Gonna go back. Okay, you said cancel. Gonna go back there. Go back Aspire. Wanna check this. Cancel. So these are the builds within this particular wizard. So if you wanna have this wizard and have access to these builds, check comment section. I'll be dropping a link on how to have them. See you in my next video. Apologies for not showing you the content of this build. This is because YouTube is taking down videos. Okay, so I don't want my videos to be taken down. Thank you.